Millions of Americans earn decent salaries, yet somehow they still feel broke every single month. For decades, a good salary meant security, but today, even people earning six figures can struggle to keep up. The biggest surprise is this: the problem is not always how much money people make. It's where the money goes. Housing, healthcare, education, and everyday expenses have become some of the biggest financial pressures in America. Michael and Sarah work hard every day. They are not careless. They are trying to survive in an economy that keeps demanding more. One of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck is something called lifestyle inflation. When people earn more, they often spend more: a bigger house, a newer car, more expensive habits. And slowly, the extra income disappears. The biggest financial trap is that modern spending has become almost invisible. People don't always feel like they are spending money. A few dollars here, a few $100s there. Small purchases can quietly destroy a monthly budget. Credit cards are powerful tools, but when used incorrectly, they can become a financial prison. Many Americans don't struggle because they buy expensive things once. They struggle because they make expensive payments every single month. A car payment, a bigger house, and higher bills can slowly turn a good salary into a stressful lifestyle. Social media has made this problem even bigger. People compare their real life with someone else's highlight reel. The result? Many people spend money trying to look successful instead of building real financial security. Most people think debt starts with one big mistake, but in reality, debt usually grows from hundreds of small decisions over time. The dangerous part about debt is not the purchase itself. It's the interest that keeps growing after the purchase is forgotten. A $1,000 purchase can become much more expensive when you only make the minimum payment every month. Banks are businesses. Their goal is not only to hold your money. They are designed to make money from financial products and services. This does not mean banks are the enemy. It means understanding how money works gives people more control over their future. The difference between people who build wealth and people who stay trapped is often not income. It's financial knowledge. Money is a tool, but without a strategy, even a good salary can disappear. The biggest difference between wealthy people and everyone else is not always how much money they earn. It is what they do with that money. Many people use extra income to buy things that lose value. Wealth builders use money to buy assets that can grow over time. A wealthy mindset asks one simple question: will this purchase make me richer, or will it make me poorer? The goal is not to never spend money. The goal is to make your money work for you. Small investments made consistently over time can become powerful because of one thing: compound growth. Financial freedom is usually not created by one lucky moment. It is created by thousands of smart decisions repeated every day. For Michael and Sarah, the journey is no longer about looking rich. It is about becoming financially secure. Breaking the cycle starts with one simple step: understanding where your money is actually going. A budget is not about restricting your life. It is about giving every dollar a purpose. The next step is building protection, because one unexpected emergency can destroy years of financial progress. Many families stay trapped because every dollar is already committed before the month even begins. The goal is not to remove every comfort. It is to remove the expenses that prevent your future from growing. Investing may seem complicated at first, but building wealth begins with simple, consistent actions. The people who achieve financial freedom are not always the ones who earn the most. They are the ones who make better decisions consistently. Months later, Michael and Sarah are no longer focused on looking wealthy. They are focused on building a life where money gives them freedom. They learned that wealth is not about expensive cars, designer clothes, or showing success to others. True wealth is having choices, The ability to handle emergencies, support your family, and control your own time. The journey does not happen overnight. Financial freedom is built through patience, discipline, and thousands of small decisions. A higher salary can improve your life, but without financial knowledge, more money can simply create bigger problems. The goal is not to become rich overnight. The goal is to build a system where your money works for you instead of you working only for money. Because in the end, financial freedom is not about having more things. It is about having more control over your life.